Good morning, you. Today we're doing something new and exciting. We're packing for an 8-night cruise from Valencia in MSC. My parents-in-law have reached a wonderful milestone and we're here to celebrate. And to my curly hair crew, don't worry, I've got you. I'm making also a separate video where I go in detail on all the hair products I'm bringing with me. If you like pack with me videos, if you want game-changing packing hacks, or you just want to hang out, let's sail. We're starting with a few days in sunny Valencia before we board the MSC Splendida, or as some would call it, MSC Splendida. It's all in celebration of my parents-in-law's 50th year anniversary, or as they call it here in Denmark, guldbryllup, which means golden wedding. I have been on MSC before. I've also been on Royal Caribbean. It is the first time for my parents-in-law, so it makes it extra special. Also, stay tuned. I'm going to share a trick on how to pack a man's suit in a suitcase. As many as you know, MSC has theme nights. You dress according to a certain occasion and everyone tries to dress accordingly just for fun of it. MSC doesn't normally say in advance what the theme night is, but often the ones who have sailed in the same route, in the same boat, have an idea of what it could be. So I'm basing my packing on that and hope for the best. The themes I've read about so far that we might have in Splendida this year is the Caribbean night, and I'm going to wear this dress because it says to use like Hawaii shirts or flowered outfits. Now, I'm going to put it on a packing cube to make my packing a little bit more organized. I have to fold and roll a little bit like Marie Kondo and try to stack it neatly so I can see what I have packed so far. The glow party, which is inspired in neon colors. And I'm going to wear this dress because I don't have any like neon yellow or neon green or neon orange, so hot pink is the closest I have. The sunshine party, which is 70s outfits but also 60s and 80s. This dress is actually very special. This dress is from the 70s and it's the actual dress that my mother-in-law's mom wore for their wedding. It used to be all the way to the ankles though. Then there's the formal night, and sometimes there's one formal night and a gala night where that is a little bit more elegant. The formal, you would maybe wear a suit for men and a cocktail dress for women. And gala, I've seen men wearing tuxedos. And just in case they have a gala night, I'm bringing an extra dress. It is knee length, but since it's velour and a little bit shiny on the bottom, then I think it can go for a gala night on MSC cruises. Here's a hack if you're packing your husband's suit. I have packed left my husband's suit on the hanger, and I've put the shirt he's going to wear and the pants he's going to wear. Don't mind the cat hairs. The pants he's going to wear and an extra pair of pants. I put it all together, try not to wrinkle it too much. And then I'm going to put it in one of these bags. I don't remember what they're called, but you kind of zip it inside of that bag. And the hanger is going to come out this way. Put it inside. Oh, should probably unzip it first. This is so heavy. Just cover it. You see, at least everything is going to stay in place, so it'll not be wrinkled. Maybe not at all, or just slightly when you arrive. And if you put it properly, it should be still intact when you get there, so you don't have to iron it again. Then you can fold it like this if you want to. Some suitcases have like a little hook here, but this one doesn't have it. So I'll just place it pretending as if there's a hook. You see, I have room to put other stuff. If I have something light, I can put it on top of this one. Coming up, more packing hacks and more theme nights. Share with us in the comments, what are your favorite packing hacks? Then there's the white party. So there's one of the nights where they encourage people to wear white. And I'm debating between long sleeve or short sleeve white. I don't know yet. This white one I've worn for white parties before. It's quite short and it's nice that it's sleeveless and comfortable. This one is new and I think it gives me like a romantic look. So I don't know which one. Which one would you suggest? Put it in the comments, please. I'm going to put these in a separate packing cube because I'm slightly paranoid about color transfer. Because these colors are so bright and these ones are... This one is cotton. It's 100% cotton. So I'm afraid it's going to soak up the color. I don't know if that's possible, but just in case. So it's nighttime. I hope the lighting is okay. I got distracted with my cute cat. Anyway, I want to show that I'm bringing 2 bathing suits. Cat hair. 2 bathing suits, and this because if you go into the ocean or the pool every day, it's not, at least in my case, it's nice that I don't have to get into a wet bathing suit. And while the other one dries, I have a spare. And I have 2 cover-ups. And I'm going to pack all of this in this little bag. It has a zipper so you can put a few stuff in it. And I'm going to put the towel clips in there and close the zipper. I have different kinds of towel holders, but these ones are more sturdy besides being cute. These ones are lightweight, but they tend to break easily, so you can choose accordingly. Another nice detail if you have one of those neck things to go around your neck with a little hook, because you can put your cruise card. So it's a new day. I gave up yesterday. I was tired, and this is why I normally pack with a few days in between, because then you have time to relax if it's getting a little stressful or you're a little too tired. Yeah, so let's continue. Here's another quick hack that will save you a lot of time when you get back home, and it's very, very cheap. I'm bringing 2 old bags to use as laundry bags, and I bring 2 because one is going to be for light colors and the other one's going to be for dark colors, so then when we get back home, I don't have to separate the clothes into colors. I might be able to just put it all in a washer. That's a little tricky. Other cheap and easy hacks like that coming up in a bit. So this is a quick rundown of my shoes. I'm bringing sandals because it's going to be warm, and even in the places where it's going to be less warm, it's still going to be warm. And then I'm going to wear my white sneakers for the flight probably. And I'm putting them just in a regular bag because I don't want them to be together with my clothes. I'm putting half of the sandals on my husband's suitcase. If I was traveling on my own, I would probably have to pare down on what I'm bringing, or I'll use a bigger. This looks kind of worn out. It is worn out, but I've used it a few times. So this is to put your cell phone. If you're just getting on the, like in the beach or in the swimming pool, not diving though, but just like needs a little bit protection for your phone, you can use this one. I normally put some flip-flops on my hand luggage, and that is because most of the times my luggage has not arrived to the room, our luggage, when we arrive. So if I want to switch to sneakers and walk around and so on in more comfortable shoes, then they're in my hand luggage, which I'll have with me. I also want to show these, I don't remember what they're called, but it's like if you're in a beach that is not like Caribbean beaches, but there's like small rocks and stones and so on, and you don't want to hurt your feet, you wear these. And what I like about these is that they're very lightweight. I just remember that also last time I had a few clothes that I was drying in the bathroom, and there was a clothesline, but I didn't have enough of these. I normally use these beach towel holders, and I thought next time I should remember to bring just regular clothespins so I can keep my clothes and underwear and so on the line. Tape. I'm bringing masking tape because the luggage tags from MSC are paper, and you have to attach them to your luggage yourself. And I like to use masking tape and completely cover it in tape because just in case it rains, our information is not going to be washed away from the luggage tag. The other thing I want to share is this. This has a hook, and in the bathroom and the cruise there's a place where you can. It's very practical because then you can have like your toothpaste, your toothbrush in here and have it hanging so you don't occupy space on the shelf. Might put like my shampoo and conditioner in here. Here's another unusual thing I use. This is a massage ball. And I bring this because it helps me relax my back muscles. I put it against the wall and roll on it. And also for your muscles around your hips and all that area. So these are the hair products I'm bringing, and I'll be making a video soon. It'll probably come up in a day or two that explains what I'm bringing and why. The tip is to bring a digital scale to weigh your luggage, because if you tend to want to bring everything like I do, it is very embarrassing to be at the airport, realize that you've packed way too much, and to be taking out all your stuff at the airport to rearrange it. So ever since, I always use one of those, and I have it on my hand luggage. A little tip I want to add is to bring a travel adapter that fits more than one electronic. Like this one I have room for 4, and this is the European plug, because especially beside your night table there might not be that many slots to put your electronics. Here's another tip that you probably never heard. If you suffer from motion sickness but don't want to take prescription medication, you might be able to manage with ginger. These are ginger tablets, and in theory you could also eat ginger if you if you rather do that, but I bring these and I've not had any motion sickness. I just wanted to share that we ended up buying a bigger suitcase for me, because even though I could fit the things I wanted on the suitcase, there was not that much extra room if we end up getting something. I like to buy like tea and cookies and other gluten-free goodies when we are abroad. So we went today and bought a new one, and I'm quite excited. It's very light. I think it said 3.9 kilo, which is lighter than the one I have now. Yeah, so I'll just pass over the same things over here, and I'm still done packing. Tusen tack, or thank you very much for watching all the way until now. We're done packing and it's time to have fun. Make sure to continue watching my videos so you can see what happens next. How does it go on a cruise? Do I use all the things that I actually packed? And also to make sure that you see the hair video, what I packed for my hair. Thank you very much. And YouTube is about to suggest another video. Make sure to watch.